Rekha Manaswi, 9th class, 9th AO.
Hello.
एनसीसी ब्रिगेड आपकी निरंतर के लिए हाजिर अप। जय श्रीमान घाट को विसर्जन करने के लिए अनुमति चाहते हो। घाट संदीप बागी घाट विसर्जन।
We are deeply honored to welcome our chief guest, Mrs. S. Thangavani, the esteemed civil judge of the district court. Your unwavering commitment to justice, your integrity, and the principal fraternity. Your presence today is indeed a great source of pride and encouragement for us all.
I am privileged and it is with immense pleasure and profound respect that we extend a heartfelt welcome to the esteemed dignitaries gracing this special occasion, our annual Prize Day celebration. We are deeply honored by the presence of Mr. Sudarshan, the visionary chairman of Sri Sudha Group of Institutions and the dynamic director of Sri Sudha CBSE branch. Your unwavering commitment to the educational excellence continues to inspire and elevate our collective mission. A pivotal role in shaping the foundation of our success. We welcome you, sir. A warm and respectful welcome to Mr. Surya Narayana, Director of Sri Sudha Group of Institutions, whose guidance and dedication contribute significantly to the foundation for our students' educational journey. We welcome you, ma'am. Your presence today not only graces this occasion, but also serves as a source of great motivation for your continued support in nurturing excellence, character, and lifelong learning at Sri Sudha. Thank you, sir.
Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
सर अंत पట్టుకొని ఇక్కడ చూడండి సర్ అంత ఇక్కడ చూడండి
దీప జ్యోతి పరబ్రహ్మ
ఓకే సార్
దీప జ్యోతి జనార్దన బ్రహ్మ దీప జ్యోతి జనార్దన దీపారతుయే పాపం సంధ్యా దీప నమోస్తుతే శుభం గురుత్వం కళ్యాణం ఆరోగ్యం ధన సంపదః శుభం కురుత్వం కళ్యాణం ఆరోగ్యం ధన సంపదః.
ఓకే సార్.
Presenting a vibrant welcome dance by our talented 7th class girls. choreographed beautifully by Mrs. Swati.
మధు వెనక్కి రా మధు రావాలా వెనక్కి రావాలా చాలా వెనక్కి రావాలా ఓకే సార్
Next, Math Club activity achievers are 6th AO Abhishek, 6th AO Madhya, 8th AO Lakshmi Narasimha Royal. Next, be ready, Science Club achievers.
ఇక్కడ చూడమ్మా సార్ 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 ఓకే సార్
Diwali, Madhiha, Soumya, Raviteja and Manaswini.
తీసుకో తీసుకో मम्मी आ रही अफजल दो ओके सर
Social club activity winner, be ready.
Lohit Sainath Reddy,
ग्रुप बनता था
class 8th. Lohit Sainath Reddy,
Sir.
Lakshmi Narasimha Royal, Ashish A, class 9th. Hemalata Reddy, Vamshidhar J. Members of sports club activity are class 8, Akash B, Avinash K, Shashwardhan P, Abhilash K, Balaji M, Sharan B, Mahesh C, Anand U.
Be ready. Achievers, be ready. Primary club activity achievers, be ready for the prize.
ओके सर
It is achievers are 1A Yogi Mahendra, 1A1 Tarak Ram, 2A Sai Manas, 2A1 Bihan, 2A2 Akhil, 3A Tanvita, 3A1 Srujan, 4th A Nitravardhan, 4th A1 Suviksini. Primary club activities winner.
Next,
Sports club winner recreational game first and second achievers, be ready. Sports club winner recreational.
Charvi Chowdhury, Charishma, Rishika, Hema Varshini Reddy, Sai Vaishnavi, Nana Sai Reddy, Geetamrita, Prashant M, Venkateshwarlu, Rishki Reddy, Hima Shriyan, Satvik Gadda, Dhruva Tarak, Rishikesh Y. The next category is dodgeball, third class, 3A1. Vishnuvardhan, Kedarnath, Harshavardhan, Niharika, Bhargav Reddy, Miduna Shri, Paridhi Priya,
Higher calligraphy achievers 6th AO Madhyaha, 6th A1 Geetika, 6th A2 Sai Tejas, 6th A3 Chiranjeevi, 7th AO Joya Suprika, 9th A2 Ramcharan. Next category primary essay writing. After high school calligraphy achievers, be ready. Primary essay writing achievers. Primary essay writing achievers, be ready. Sixth, 7th AO Sriman, 7th A1 Manoj, 7th A2 Ravin, 7th A3 Hemant, 8th AO 9th AO Sahiti, 9th A1 Gautami, 9th A2 Surya Prakash, 9th A3 Ramcharan. Now next primary elocution students, be ready. Primary elocution. Primary art and craft achievers, be ready. Primary art and craft achievers.
Drawing, be ready.
Primary drawing achievers, be ready. 1A Balija, 1A1 Srinidhi, 2A1 Mohana, 2A2 Devas. Primary drawing achievers 1A Balija, 1A1 Srinidhi, 3A1 Makbul, 4th A Srikruti, 4th A2 Arsia, 5th AO Asis, 5th A1 Ujjal. Next higher drawing Higher drawing achievers Asma and Meghna. After that primary science fair achievers, be ready. Agarsa, Sai Sankirtana, Gyanika.
Primary math fair.
After primary math fair, be ready. Higher math fair. After primary math fair achievers, be ready. Higher math fair achievers.
Primary math,
1 achievers. Higher math fair after, be ready. Primary essay 1 achievers.
higher math fair achievers are Royal Group, Ayesha Group achievers, Ayesha, Mithun Rose, Usair Kair, Rishi Ganesh.
Next,
Primary SA1 achievers,
next, be ready. Higher essay 1 achievers.
primary SA1 achievers,
Achievers are 6th AO Madiha, 6th AO Ravita, Ravi Teja, 6th A1 Indu, 6th A2 Sai Tejas, 6th A3 Chiranjeevi, 7th AO Chakri. Primary achievers students, SA1 achievers, please I request their parents, please come to the stage for receive the prize. Please come. I request all the parents of achievers, please come to the stage and receive the prize with the students. Next, higher SA1 achievers, be ready.
పిల్లోడు ముఖం దగ్గర కొద్దిగా కింది పడుకోవను, ముఖం కొద్దిగా కిందికి రావను పిల్లోనికి.
సర్టిఫికేట్ ఓకే సార్. సార్ 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 కడిగి కాదు.
Fifth day Afiza, fifth day one Sri Kartik, day one Raga Satri.
After essay to achievers, Olympiad students get ready.
Fourth. Next achievers. Next achiever is come with your parents. Sixth day Madiha. Next, sixth day one Hindu, come with your parents. Sixth day two three Chiranjeevi, come with your parents. Seventh day Chakrika, Srinivas, come with your parents. Seventh day two Vaishnavi, come with your parents. Eighth day Lakshmi Narasimha Royal, achieve the prize. 8th day 3 parents. 9th day 1 Gautami, be ready. Next 9th day 2, next 9th day 3 Revan, be ready with your parents. Next essay to achievers, be ready after this.
After essay to achievers, Olympiad students be ready. After essay to achievers, Olympiad achievers.
సార్ సార్ ఓకే సార్. సార్ సార్ మేడం మేడం ఓకే మేడం.
Next essay to achievers, be ready with your parents.
మేడం మేడం ఓకే మేడం. మేడం మేడం ఓకే మేడం. అన్న జల్లూరుగా భాష ఇస్తున్నారు చూడన్నా.
Now essay to achievers. Nursery Hari Paranya, be ready with your parents. Hari Paranya Nursery essay to achievers, be ready. Next, Sasank Priyas LKG, be ready with your parents. Akshaya Sri UKG, be ready. Next, Munnabai S, UKG A1, be ready with your parents. Jnana Pradanya Raja, 1A, be ready with your parents. Adya Krishna, 1A1, Ivan 1A1, be ready with your parents. Adya Krishna 2A, be ready with your parents. Rayana 2A1, be ready with your parents. Danis Royal 2A2, be ready with your parents. Next, Sandu Chaitran Gaud 3rd A1, be ready with your parents. Jaya Charan Tej 4th A, be ready. Mohan 4th A1, be ready with your parents. Surya Teja 4th A2, be ready. Sahis Tatke 5th AO, be ready with your parents. Sri Karthik Rudrani 5th A1, be ready with your parents. Raghavendra Reddy 5th A2, be ready. Madiha 6th AO, be ready with your parents. Yasaswini 6th A1, be ready. Sai Tejas, come with your parents. Sai Tejas 6th A2. Kausik 6th A3, be ready. Chakrika Srinivas 7th AO, be ready with your parents. Now Anjaneyulu 8th A3. Now Anjaneyulu 8th A3 is going to receive the prize with his parent. Next, Vaishnavi 7th A2 is going to receive the SA2 prize. Now next achievers are Jayasuriya and Lalitya Aditya of 9th AO. They are going to receive the prize with their parents. Now Harsavardhan and Manoj.
తీసుకున్నావా ఓకే మేడం
Now Harsavardhan, Manoj of 7th A3 and Ramcharan and Surya of 9th A1 are going to receive the prize.
తీసుకున్నావా తీసుకున్నావా తెస్తున్నావా ఓకే మేడం
Now Surya of 9th A1 is going to receive the prize. Next, Ramcharan. Now Ramcharan of 9th A1 is receiving the SA2 prize. Now Vijay Kumar of class 8 with his parents is going to receive the prize. With her father. Now Jai Charan, 4th A, is going to receive the prize by our case.
ఓకే మేడం
Now Jai Charan of 4th A is going to receive the SA1 prize with his parents. Now Sri Niksit of 9th AO is going to receive the prize.
Now I announce Olympiad, Cumulative Test, Part Test and Grand Test Achievers. Cumulative Test 4 Achievers: Susanna M, Shruti R, Meghana C, Raviteja S. Next category, Part Test. Part Test 1 Achievers: Raviteja S, Madiha S. Next 8 AO students, be ready.
7th year students, please come to the stage. Names are already announced. Seventh AO, again I am repeating the names. Yasmin, Anisa Fatima, Charan Sai, Esani, Tezdeep Royal, Sangeeta, Charan Sai, Spurti, Tezdeep Royal, Charan Sai, Sangeeta, Yasmin, Tezdeep Royal, Sangeeta, Yasmin, Saket, Anisa Fatima, Tezdeep Royal, Charan Sai, Chakrika, Part Test 2, Tezdeep Royal, Charan Sai, Chakrika Srinivas, Saket, Sangeeta, Anisa Fatima, Jaya Suprita. Grand Test Achievers are Tezdeep Royal, Chakrika Srinivas, Puneet, Charan Sai and Yasmin. They are receiving the prize. 7th AO students are receiving the prize. Parents also, those who are interested, please join with the students. I request all the parents, please join with the students while receiving the prize. This is the proud moment of both the students, teachers and parents. So I request all the parents, if you are present, please come to the stage and join with your student.
Next 8 AO Cumulative Test, Part Test and Grand Test Achievers. I call out the names: Sunshiny, Medha Manasvi, Madhuri, Lakshmi Narasimha Royal, Lakshmi Manideep, Medha Manasvi, Nikita Jayashri, Manideep, Charan Natish Gupta, Lakshmi Manideep, Lohit Sainath Reddy. Grand Test Achievers: Lakshmi Narasimha Royal, Sunshiny, Nikita, Samira, Manvika.
Next be ready 9th AO students.
కింది పెట్టుకో సర్టిఫికేట్ కింది పెట్టుకోండి. ఫేస్ పెట్టుకోవద్దు, సర్టిఫికేట్ కింది పెట్టుకోండి బాబు.
Now name 9th AO, cumulative test 1, cumulative test 2, cumulative. Sri Nikshit Raju, I request all the parents, if you are present, please receive the prize with your kid. Grand test achievers: Sri Nikshit, Trinath, Jaya Surya, Lalita Aditya.
కింది పెట్టుకో సర్టిఫికేట్.
Next, I would like to announce Olympic students. Class first, Sheikh Suhana, Afifa Anzum. Class third, Lokeshwar Nayak Gaurav, Lakshmi Minishit Reddy. Niharika Reddy, Gautam Krishna C.
After primary discipline, be ready.
I announce the names of higher best discipline students. Class 6 AO Srujita PV, 6 A1 Kausalya, 6 A2 Nisha D, 6
Bluetooth mode.
ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಬೇಕು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಬಾವು.
Srujita PV of 6 AO, Kausalya M 6 A1, Nisha D 6 A2, Meghana 7th A1, Vaishnavi 7th A2, Prashant 7th A3, Charan 8 AO, Srija 8 A1, Abhinaya 8 A2.
The students, please note that you are not supposed to move here and there. We have arranged seats for you. Sit along with your parents. We don't want to see move here and there.
Next be ready, primary best parent award. Primary best parent award.
Best Parent Award, Primary. Best Parents, G. Nagaraju, Parent of Jahid Vivek, Jila, Parent of Hania S.
Nagaraju, Hania, Jilan, Jay Charan Tej, Rajlakshmi. Best parents of primary are receiving the prize.
Sir,
Hanish G, Abhi Satvik Red, Ashmin P, Spurti Y, Sharan Sai T. Next, Best Actor in Primary. Please be ready.
Actor in primary.
I call upon the name Best Actor in Primary. Gulna Sultana D of Class 4th.
Gulnaz Sultana.
Next, Best Actor in
Best actor in higher. Be ready.
I call upon the names of Best Actors in Higher of Class 9th A1. Once again, I call.
Next
Sir,
category annual sports meet athlete winners.
sir,
Annual sports meet athlete winners. Abhi Singh Rohit.
I request all the teachers, please mind the children. All the teachers, please ensure that children are disciplined.
Geetika. Second class. Third class Satvi. Sasank Lokeswar Madiha Rachel Liskala Hemant Anand Satya Rishabh Mitravardhan Jaswini Sri Charita Jasmine.
Next, broad jump category, please be ready. I'll call upon the names of broad jump achievers. Suhani, second, Sanvi Mishra, third, Varija. I'm calling the name. Last three boys.
After broad jump, be ready. Kho-Kho girls 8th class, Kho-Kho boys 4th class, Kho-Kho boys 5th class. After broad jump, be ready.
Class 3 boys, Shashank, Tejashwar, Jatendra. Class 3 girls, Adhya, Madiha, Midhuna.
Sabraz. 8th class, Satavana house, Kho-Kho girls, be ready. 8th class, Kho-Kho boys, Hoysala house, winners are
6th class and 8th class, be ready.
Kho-Kho girls, Kho-Kho girls, Harshita, Lahari, Aswini, Ravali, Abhinaya, Sripriya, Drakshayani, Srujana, Divya.
House, Vishnuvardhan, Hemant, Ramsagar, Venkatramana.
Throw balls, Rashtrakuta girls,
Next, Chaitra Sri, Ishita, Sneha, Harita, Navya.
Anusa, Pranita and Sonia. Tug of war.
తల్లిదండ్రులను వారికి
NCC
కుర్చీలలో
students. Next, be ready. 8th class volleyball, Hoysala house. Sangidhar, Raven.
Children, please don't roam here and there. Sit in the allotted chairs.
Please Venkat Chetan, Kalyan, Vinay, Nikhil, Ramcharan, Uday Kiran, Yaswant, Mahidhar, Mahesh and Chandu.
सर रेडी सर ओके सर
Nursery Bikram, Kusal and Pranam Sai. Club activities, Nursery Dixika, LKG Chaitra, UKG Ritvika. Along with the parents, please, pre-primary students, come with your parents. Parents, please join with your students. Please join with your kids. Please join with the students. Please come, parents, please come to the dais and receive the prize. Pre-primary parents. Pre-primary parents. Please come and receive the prize.
इको पेरेंट्स వస్తున్నారు
Math fair, nursery, Rishikar, Sasank, UKG, Yasmin, Kanishka, Yasika, Kausik. Parents, please join with your kids. I request the parents, please join with your kids.
ఇది ఫోటో ఇది నేను తీసుకుంటాను తెలుసుకున్నా
Parents, please join with your kids and encourage them. And all the pre-primary teachers, please join with the students. Now CBSE cluster 7th. Be ready. Kabaddi winners. Ramcharan, Uday Kiran, Yaswant, Mahidhar, Mahesh, Chandu. Volleyball winners.
Dear students, sit on the allotted chairs. Otherwise, we will cancel the dance program. If you are not sitting on the chairs, if you are not disciplined, we will cancel the dance programs.
Winners, be ready. Now NCC volunteer Bino with his group, Cadet Binay Kumar, Harsavardhan, Manidhar, Giridhar, Balaji, Venkat Chutan Kumar. Be ready.
फोटो
Rakshani, Abhinaya, Nitya, Manoj Raj, Ani, Pujasri, Meghna, Haripriya. Our next achievers are music students. Guru Sri Bhavita, where are you? Please come to the stage with your parents. Sai, Ranjit, Rishikanesh, Ujjal, Haricharan, Abhishek, Nikita, S. Manasa. Music students, be ready. Stalin and Miss Saria, please come to the stage.
Next, I would request the directors and guests to take the chairs as the annual report is being.
NCC students, 5 members, please come quick. Binay, with your team, please.
I request all the students. I don't want to see any student move here and there. Every student has to occupy their respective teacher chairs. I request the parents to guide their children beside them. The civil judge of the district court, honorable management members, esteemed principal, supportive parents, dedicated staff, and my dear students, it is my proud privilege to present before you the annual report of Sri Sudha CBSE High School for the academic year 2024-25, highlighting our achievements, progress, and key activities throughout the year. Welcome to all. I am Mr. Ranjan, the Vice Principal of Sri Sudha CBSE School. In all frankness, the management of Sri Sudha School has made a power generating team which comprises the following. First, Islamic Principal Dr. Mr. Ahmad Nawaz Muhammad, a dedicated educator with a vast experience of being administrator. Under his highly skillful guidance, this school has remarkable growth in academic, co-curricular, and infrastructure. Introducing the power of dedication, collaboration, implementing digital literacy, he has constituted an expert working team to accomplish the academic excellence. We truly blessed with strong academic leadership. Our Vice Principal, Mr. Param Ranjan, coordinators, Mrs. Hepsiba and Mr. Pedaya, who have guided their special team with full of dedication. Our school follows as pre-primary, primary, NCERT and Olympiad zones, ensuring effective academic management. AO, A1, A2 and A3 with a total strength of 1,185 students. Primary wings are led by the able leadership of Mrs. Hepsiba and handled by a talented team of educators. Learnings to foster fundamental growth. Several activities were conducted throughout the year, and we are proud of our young achievers who academically topped their respective levels. Our NCERT zone, led by experienced staff like Mr. Madhu, Mr. Ranjan, Mrs. Muntaz, Mr. Sivaramdu, Mr. Galib and others, who ensure quality CBSE aligned education. Fairs and subject-wise projects were conducted to build conceptual clarity. Our NCERT academic toppers have consistently performed well in school level assessment. You can see their photos on the screen. The Olympiad team, guided by Mr. Pidaya, Mr. K. Raju and others, focused on preparing students for competitive platforms. Special training sessions, practice tests, and mentoring have helped our students excel. Here are some names we can proudly mention. They are the toppers. Hemalata Reddy, class 9th. Medha Manasvi, class 8. Narasimha Royal, class 8. Tejdeep Royal, class 7. Ravi Teja, class 6. Olympiad test, grand test and related other exams were conducted at different periods of the year, and children have received their certificates for their achievements. Last year's academic results were a testimony to the hard work of students and teachers. We recognize and appreciate the efforts of our class-wise toppers who have inspired others with their achievements, and the highest score was 475 out of 500. To develop 21st century skills, we offer active participation in multiple clubs. They are linguistic, science, maths, social, and sports and cultural clubs. These clubs conducted intra-school events, exhibitions, and awareness drives encouraging leadership and creativity. Our NCC unit has grown to 50 cadets, with 18 in the second year and 32 in the first year. Through regular training and community activities, our cadets have displayed excellent discipline, teamwork, and patriotic values. We conducted 3 parent-teachers meetings in this year, 2024 and 25. The first PTM, parent-teachers meeting, wonderfully recorded 91% of the attendance of parents. Similarly, second parent-teachers meeting, 95% of attendance we recorded. And in the same way, third PTM, 62% attendance of the parents. This overwhelming response, as we consider, reflects the commitment of our parents towards their children's education, for which we cannot but thank them from the core of our hearts. Our IT department, including Mr. Baba Fakhruddin, D. Fayaz, Mr. DZ Venkat and others, they ensured the smooth integration of technology. We have introduced skill-based programs in artificial intelligence, 3D modeling, drone technology, and entrepreneurship, preparing our students for the future. Under the guidance of Mr. Sushil Mishra, Mr. Sudhakar and others, our students achieved valuable leadership skill, enhanced their overall personality, received recognition and bonus points for the future opportunities in various competitions. Among all the cadets, to our surprise, 7 students represented at the national level, 14 students at the state level, 24 students at the cluster level, including a silver medal in Kabaddi. Team, including Mr. Swagat and Mr. Mohan, for efficiently managing academic print work. From June to March, thousands of printouts were generated for circulars, notes, question papers, and project materials. Cultural development. Mr. Maulali and his team, Mr. Vinil Babu and his team, they have given intense training to the children who often have proved themselves on the stage on different occasions. Our academic calendar was filled with creative activities including thematic weddings such as Indian, Western, Korean, Arabian, performed by students in cultural integration projects. Altogether, 44 higher sections, 76 primary and 67 pre-primary activities were conducted throughout the year 2024-25. These events helped boost confidence and creativity among learners. Now accounts department. Our accounts and office staff, Mrs. Khaja Banu, Mrs. Sailata, Mrs. Rajeshwari and Mrs. Deepika, they have ensured smooth financial operations, fee management and administrative coordination throughout the year. Our hostel is a second home for many students. With a team of wardens including Mr. Teja, Miss Amruta, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar and others, we have maintained discipline, hygiene and academic support. In our hostel, the strength of the boys is 187 and the girls 47. Let me come to the final slide. It is nothing but I would like to extend my thankfulness to you. In conclusion, we thank our management and teachers, parents, and most importantly, our students for making this academic year meaningful and memorable. We have Sri Sudha CBSE High School. Would you like this in a Word or PDF document for printing? My dear students, I'm asking a question. My respected parents, if you like to take a PDF printing, definitely we will try our level best to supply you.
Mr. Rakesh, Circle Inspector with a badge. I request NCC CTO. NCC CTO, where are you? Please come with your NCC cadet.
ఆనందం తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ముఖ్యంగా ఈరోజు యాన్యువల్ ప్రైజ్ డే. ఇలాంటి రోజు ఉందని నాకు తెలియదు, కానీ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్గా ఇన్వైట్ చేశారు. ఈ డోన్లో నేను వర్క్ చేయడం ఇదే చివరి రోజు. నేను ఈరోజు రిలీవ్ అయిపోయి నంద్యాలలో ఛార్జ్ తీసుకోవాల్సి ఉంది. నేను అటెండ్ చేసే చివరి ప్రోగ్రాం బహుశా ఇదే కావచ్చు. ముందు నుంచి కూడా శ్రీ సుధా స్కూల్ వాళ్ళు నాకు అన్ని ఫంక్షన్లకి ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తూ ఉండేవారు. ఆ విధంగా ఈ చిట్ట చివరి ఫంక్షన్ ఇది కావడము నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ప్రతిసారి మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు నేను ఎక్కడున్నా కనుక్కొని విచారించి ఆ రోజు నాకు అనుకూలంగా డేట్ కుదుర్చుకోమని చెప్పి మళ్ళా పదే పదే ఫోన్ చేసి రిమైండర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఏమంటే స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఏదో ఒక చిన్న మెసేజ్ ఇచ్చినా వాళ్ళ మైండ్లో అది అట్లే ఉంటుందనే ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశము. ముఖ్యంగా పిల్లలు ఈరోజు ఇంతమంది ప్రైజులు ఇచ్చినాను, నేనే అలసిపోయాను ఆ ప్రైజులు ఇస్తూ ఉంటే. అప్పుడు ప్రతి ఒక్క రంగంలోనూ పిల్లల్ని ఏ విధంగా ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు అనే విషయం ఇక్కడ మనకు తేటతెల్లమవుతుంది. విద్యార్థి దశలో వాళ్ళు ఏదైతే నేర్చుకుంటారో, పోటీలో పాల్గొనేటువంటి తత్వం ఏ విధంగా డెవలప్ చేసుకుంటారు, అది వినైనా కావచ్చు, విజయమన్నా సాధించవచ్చు, లేకుంటే అపజయమన్నా కలగవచ్చు. కానీ పోటీలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం అనే విషయం అనేది చాలా అభినందించదగిన విషయము. ఏమంటే ఒకసారి ఎప్పుడైతే మనము అన్నిసార్లు మనకు విజయమే వరించదు. జీవితం అంటే జయము అపజయాల కలయిక. పిల్లలకి ఆ స్టేజ్లోనే వాళ్ళు నేర్చుకున్నారనుకోండి విజయం అంటే ఏమి, అపజయం అంటే ఏమి, వాటిలో నుంచి వాళ్ళు అపజయాల నుంచి చాలా నేర్చుకుంటారు. వాళ్ళల్లో వాళ్ళకి ఆత్మవిశ్వాసం అనేది పెరుగుతుంది. ఆ విధంగా ఈ స్కూల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు పిల్లల్ని స్పోర్ట్స్ పట్ల కానీ కరాటే పట్ల కానీ స్కూల్లో పిల్లల యొక్క వెల్ బిహేవియర్ గురించి కూడా ప్రైజెస్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇవన్నీ వాళ్ళని మోటివేట్ చేయడానికి చక్కగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా ఈ స్కూల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్క స్టూడెంట్ యొక్క టాలెంట్ని గుర్తించడం అనేది చాలా అభినందించదగిన విషయము. ఓన్లీ మన స్కూల్స్ అంటే అకాడమిక్ పరంగానే కాకుండా వాళ్ళకి ఎన్సీసీ పరంగాను స్పోర్ట్స్ పరంగాను కొంతమంది ప్రైజ్ విన్నర్స్ ఇంటర్ స్టేట్ కూడా ఆడి గెలిచి ప్రైజెస్ గెలుచుకున్నారు. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మన యొక్క కరికులంలో ఒక పార్ట్ అండ్ పార్సల్ కావడము, ఆ విధంగా స్టూడెంట్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడము చాలా అభినందించదగినటువంటి విషయము. అదేవిధంగా స్కూల్లో టీచర్స్ కూడా చాలా ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ ఇస్తున్నారు. పిల్లలు ప్రతి ఒక్క విషయంలోనూ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం అనేది, మనం ఎంతసేపు సెల్ ఫోన్లకు అంకితం కాకుండా ఇలాంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ ఉండడం వల్ల పిల్లల యొక్క దేహదారుఢ్యమే కాకుండా మెంటల్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ కూడా పెరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి వాళ్ళ జీవితంలో ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ అయినా ఫేస్ చేయగలిగినటువంటి స్టేజ్ అనేది వాళ్ళకు కలుగుతుంది. ముఖ్యంగా నేను కోరుకునేది ఏమంటే అకాడమిక్ స్టడీస్తో పాటు ర్యాంక్స్తో పాటు స్పోర్ట్స్ కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలి. అదేవిధంగా ఆటలు పాటలు ఉన్నప్పుడే వాళ్ళ యొక్క స్టూడెంట్ జీవితము చాలా చక్కగా ఉంటేనే వాళ్ళు భవిష్యత్తులో మంచిగా అన్ని రంగాల్లోనూ రాణించగలరని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఆ విధంగా ఈ స్కూల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఉండడం అనేది చాలా అభినందించదగినటువంటి విషయము. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసినటువంటి స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ కూడా నా యొక్క బెస్ట్ విషెస్ తెలియజేసుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.